everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into a cool AI action figure in just a few clicks. Okay, let's get started. First, you will need a Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, just head over to the Play Store and then search for Dreamface and then just tap download. It's totally free to get started. Once installed, just open the app and sign up with your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface will give you a weekly free credits packs and some daily limited generations, so you can play around without spending a cent. After logging in, you will land on the home page like this. And then just look for AI filter. And then scroll down until you find super filters sections. And that's where the magic is. Just find a AI action figure. This one, just tap on it and then just upload your photo. Just choose a clear photo of yourself or anyone that you want to turn into an action figure. And for best result, use a valid front-facing image. And then just wait a few seconds. Okay, this is hilarious. The hair is perfect. The outfit is epic. Overall, it looks good. And okay, that's it. In less than a minute, you can turn any photo into your own AI action figure. And even it's complete with toy-like details like this. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.